Hey tubers, Ghost Wolf 86 here at the river with the new freighter, the Johanna G, Johanna. We're gonna follow the Johanna G as she goes down the water. We're gonna follow the Johanna G. Man, she's really riding high, so she's got to be unloaded. If we get lucky, we might hear the horn honk. We get lucky. If you look at the stern, she's kicking up quite a lot of water. So yeah, she's definitely unloaded. Following the Johanna G from Madeira. Wow, that's quite a ways away. Thank you much. Have a great day. Goodbye and enjoy the video. The freighter Johanna G.